Hi, buddy.
Oh.
Hello.
Hi, I'm getting serious with my safety glasses.
How many S's are in safety glasses?
As many as this grinding wheel on this, or is that too heavy of a thing?
That's a little heavy, bud.
Okay.
That should be grinding weld.
Oh yeah, Chuck said no on that.
Huh?
Chuck said nobody needs
God, Ford, how many screws you put in there?
Wow. Weather strip on the way out. Andre, are you stripping?
Am I stripping?
The weather strip. You're stripping.
I'm de-stripping.
There's one more.
Picture of a picture of a picture. Oh, girl, what are you doing?
I'm taking out seam sealer.
Oh, girl.
This seam sealer has seen some better days. She's a little long in the tooth.
She's definitely sealing.
She's sealed in hell. Sealed to the gods. Starting to get to be banquet time, I think.
Yeah. Surprise!
Paparazzi.
Oh yeah.
You know, the most used tool in my box is the little grabby, the little claw thing to grab shit like this, so I don't drop it into the with my 10mm socket that I've lost 17 of.
Yeah, that makes sense.
It gets like that, and it gets all prepared. Alright, I think that's it.
I think that's that one.
trick here. Is this glued or what?
Yank that baby.
I gotta get enough to get a leverage on the.
Yeah, there you go.
I'm afraid it's gonna break before I get it.
Did you get all the screws?
I think so. They have a lot more screws than I do. Is there 2 rows of screws? No. Oh, you ended up with a lot more than I did.
There's a bunch of screws, like here, and here, and here, and here, and then right here. And they're all Phillips.
No, I got like, but I only have half as many as you do. But I looked in there.
There's one right here. Or unless you
No,
got
I got
that
this
You
one
have
here,
that
and I got the ones there. It's in the seam there, right?
Yeah,
There's one right
they're
here.
like every couple of inches.
Okay, there's one right there.
Oh shit! Well, that's what I get for doing it in the dark.
I know.
Oh.
So you probably did you get that one? Yeah. Yeah. So you have this guy right here,
Yeah.
and then there's a clip right here.
Oh.
See it?
Yeah.
I got you.
We need headlamps. We need.